Toto down my shoes, Euro step my move. I just caught the ring, yeah my.
What's up guys, back again with another video, and today I'm excited. I finally got my new laptop, so I'm just gonna unbox it today. Yeah, you know, finally bought one. Been waiting for quite a while for a new laptop, and yeah, now I've got one. Now I can leave the laptop I have away, not leave away, but just have it there for, let's say, entertainment purposes. So, you know, just for Netflix and stuff like that. So let me stop talking and get into it. So just literally came in today. Yeah, here it is, big thing. So yeah, let's open up. You probably know what it is from the title, but you know, I got it from Laptop Direct. I was looking around, you know, looking around for some, and you know, this was okay. Like it's you know, it's what I wanted. You know, it wasn't like I just got this because I was disappointed, because I would have waited if the one I really wanted wasn't available. And I wasn't in a rush to buy one, but you know, I wanted one. But here it is. MSI. Just get there for you to see it properly. There you go. So let's open it up. This is the box here. It's kind of a boring box, you know. Ain't gonna lie. This little box is kind of boring, because I've seen other laptop boxes, you know, and they look more nicer, more exciting, you know. Like, for example, my brother's got the Acer Nitro 5, and that box is looking nice, you know. Like a nice box, but anyway, it's just a box. Not really that important. Oh, I spoke too soon. Literally spoke too soon. Oh, really nicer box. Look at that, nice clean design. Ooh, looking good. Joe, let me just get a quick pic for the snap, you know. Sorry. Let's get a quick pic for the snap. Oh, upside down. Laptop. Cheers. Yeah. Sorry about that. I just had to go for the snap. So let's open it up. Security soul. Broken. So now security soul broken. That's it. We're officially on the laptop now. So open up. Oh, very nice, very nice. Okay, let's try and get you so you can see it properly. So that's the laptop. Comes in a protective bag. Let's put that to the side. It comes with some instruction manuals. What else? and then the power cable, charger cable. So that's about it. Nothing much inside the box. Don't really get much in the side laptops. So for okay, now let's get into the main dish. You know, the reason why we're all here. Oh, very nice. Very nice. So this laptop is a MSI GL63 9SD. Yes. It's got an i7 9750 processor. It's got Nvidia 1060i GPU. Sorry, this is literally from the top of my head. I should really get the information on, so I'm not misleading you guys. Just give me a second.
One hour later. Two hours later.
I'm sorry. Let me just get up. Cause it's moving a bit slow, man.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Tomorrow for sure.
I should look this up when I was.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, so I found it. Well, some of it. So it's got i7 9750H, 8 GB RAM, 1 TB of hard drive, 256 GB of SSD. It's 15.6 inch full HD screen, and a 1660 Ti Nvidia GeForce graphics card. And yeah, I've never had a laptop, you know, most of my laptops haven't been that powerful, but you know, this is really like, this is probably the best laptop I've ever owned. So yeah, really good, really happy about that. And I think you can upgrade the RAM to about up to 32 gig, if I'm correct. Don't quote me on it, but I think so. I think you can. So that just, you know, opens up opportunities to try and improve it. And I think you can upgrade the SSD. Like I said again, don't call me. Or just, it might be just the RAM, but don't call me, because I'm not the best at remembering stuff that I read on the web. But yeah, so I think this is literally a good budget laptop, like good budget gaming laptop. You know, if you're not up to spending 2, 3, 4 grand on the top range, then you know, this is a good budget laptop. I'm gonna, you know, do some few benchmarks. Maybe I might do them in the next video, but hopefully, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of my new laptop. So if you wanna see a review, put a comment down below. Also, if you want me to compare it to my brother's Acer Nitro 5, let me know, and then I'll bring my brother on and we can compare laptops. So hope you guys have a good day. Make sure to stay safe. You never know. I know probably in the UK they're gonna probably try and loosen up the restrictions, because we're gonna hear it on soon, a couple of days. So let's watch out for that. But nevertheless, I hope you guys have a good day. Peace.
Bang bang pow, what I do is magic. I hop on the track and it get the spaz and rip and break the shit till I get the crack, and all hell breaks loose when I get the packet.